mini space heater now for the cold nights. Make sure the side doesn't fool you because it throws a lot of heat. Begin now. How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT Half Work, and today we got this, I said, look like an alien device. Yeah, it looks like an alien, look like those cartoons. This is a small, so this is it's a personal or space heater. It's good for you put on your desk, or if you're in the office space underneath your desk. It does throw you a lot of heat. This one is 120 volts, 400 watts. And believe me, it throws a lot of heat. It feels good, even though if I turn it on now, when it comes the air to my face, it feels a lot of heat. So it also has a nice switch, safety switch. Now we see a lot of the heaters now come with the safety switch in case somebody tilts out, or if you have a pet and threw this into the side. That was a safety measure. So now to turn it on, it's pretty simple. It has a switch right over here, on and off. So we put it right over here. So we put it right there. Let's turn it on. It's pretty quiet, and it feels actually a lot of heat. Now to check, let me show you in the front. See, it went off, but to show you the light, see, is that the red light? So it's on right now. Imagine you tilt it over, automatically go off. Now you see the switch is for rotation. It's funny, it does look like an alien, this thing. Okay, so you press the switch in the front. Let's check. So now if you are right in the middle of the desk, you can, you get some air from left to right. And once again, I think this side will fool you because it will give you a lot of heat. Plus, because it's some kind of personal, means you keep it on your space and your desk next to your computer. Now in the north, it's winter time, so it's a good time for one of these devices. So remember, it's 120 volts, 400 watt. It does give you a lot of heat. When this mini space heater. And if you now to get more information about this product, check the link below the video. Thank you.